Morning, friends. Our ice maker is here. I have set it up. It should be working. It's sounding like it's working, which is a good thing. If you look on the top, I've picked the small ice. We can also choose large ice cubes if we want to. It'll let us know when the ice is full, and then when you need to add water, it'll light up. If you'll lift this cover and pull out the ice basket, which is that plastic basket right there, and then I have a cup over here with a ice scoop, and we can just use this cup to fill up with the water in the sink, and then as long as we keep the water filled up when it says add water, we should be good to go. Hope y'all enjoy. Happy icing.
This thing is awesome. Ice, look at that. That's this small. It's so easy, simple. I've had it about a week and it is the bomb. Love it, love it, love it. Great for making iced coffees or drinks.